Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making cucumber salad that you and your family will love. Simply amazing and refreshing. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. Here are my ingredients: cucumber, onions and fresh tomatoes. I've already washed it properly with vinegar. Next, I'll cut the cucumber into half and proceed by cutting it into bite sizes. Once I'm done cutting the cucumber, I will transfer to my bowl. By the way, I used one cucumber. Next, I'll cut my tomatoes open and take out the seed before slicing. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Once that is done, I will transfer into a bowl. I will proceed by slicing my onions and set it aside as well. Next, I'll slice my eggs, which is the last ingredients. Once I'm done, I will transfer it to my bowl and we are done cutting all the ingredients. Next is to make the dressing. In a separate bowl, I will add 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey and mayonnaise. I will mix to combine and our dressing is ready. Next, I'll pour it over the salad and mix to combine and we are done. You can serve it as it is or serve with jollof rice. This is super delicious and refreshing. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.